The Toyota Corolla has never been just a car. It is a phenomenon, a global benchmark, a nameplate that has moved millions of people across generations, continents, and lifestyles. In 2025, the Corolla doesn't try to reinvent itself recklessly. Instead, it evolves with precision, confidence, and an almost surgical understanding of what modern drivers demand. The exterior design immediately signals maturity. The body is sharper, cleaner, and more aerodynamic, with flowing lines that reduce drag while adding visual drama. The front fascia feels confident and modern, featuring slimmer LED headlights that stretch outward like focused eyes, paired with a refined grille that balances elegance with aggression. The hood lines are subtle yet muscular, hinting at efficiency and control rather than brute force. From the side, the Corolla 2025 carries a balanced stance. The wheel arches are gently flared, giving it a planted look on the road, while the alloy wheel designs feel contemporary and upscale. The rear design completes the story with redesigned LED taillights, a sculpted trunk lid, and clean proportions that make the car look wider and more stable than before. Step inside, and the transformation becomes even more impressive. The cabin is calmer, more refined, and more premium than any Corolla before it. Soft touch materials dominate the dashboard, with carefully placed metallic accents adding a subtle sense of luxury. The seating position feels natural and ergonomic, making long drives effortless. At the center of the interior is a large, high-resolution infotainment display, seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring instant connectivity without clutter. The digital instrument cluster delivers crisp visuals, clear information, and customizable layouts that adapt to the driver's preferences. Comfort has been elevated across the board. The seats are supportive yet soft, offering improved cushioning and better lumbar support. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom, making the Corolla 2025 a true family-friendly sedan. Under the hood, efficiency remains the Corolla's secret weapon. Depending on the market, buyers can choose between refined petrol engines and highly efficient hybrid powertrains. The hybrid system delivers smooth acceleration, whisper-quiet operation in city driving, and outstanding fuel economy that sets industry standards. Power delivery is seamless, making daily commutes feel relaxed and controlled. On the road, the Corolla 2025 feels composed and confident. The suspension absorbs imperfections effortlessly, while the steering is light yet precise. This is a car engineered for real-world driving, offering stability at highway speeds and agility in urban environments. Safety is where Toyota continues to lead. The Corolla 2025 comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and traffic sign recognition. It constantly watches the road, protecting occupants with quiet intelligence. The wow factor of the Corolla 2025 lies in its balance. It doesn't chase extremes. Instead, it perfects the formula of reliability, comfort, efficiency, and modern technology. It proves that everyday cars can still feel special, refined, and deeply satisfying. Toyota Land Cruiser 300 2026, the unstoppable legend. The Toyota Land Cruiser 300 is not merely an SUV. It is a symbol of dominance, endurance, and absolute trust. In 2026, this legend stands taller, stronger, and more advanced than ever before, without losing the soul that made it famous across deserts, mountains, and unforgiving terrain. The exterior design commands instant respect. The front end is bold and unapologetic, with a massive grille, squared-off LED headlights, and a towering stance that announces its presence before it even moves. Every panel feels purposeful, designed to withstand punishment while maintaining an unmistakable premium aura. From the side, the Land Cruiser 300 looks indestructible. The high ground clearance, strong shoulder line, and muscular proportions make it clear that this vehicle was built to conquer. The rear design reinforces its toughness with vertical LED taillights and a wide tailgate that emphasizes strength and utility. Inside, the Land Cruiser 300 2026 delivers a surprising level of luxury. The cabin is spacious, commanding, and exceptionally well built. Premium leather seats, wood or metallic trim, and a solid dashboard design combine rugged durability with first-class comfort. The driver sits high, with excellent visibility in all directions. The digital instrument cluster provides critical information clearly, while the large central touchscreen controls navigation, off-road settings, and vehicle systems with ease. Despite its size and capability, the interior feels refined and modern. Under the hood lies the heart of a beast. The Land Cruiser 300 is powered by a twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering immense torque and strong horsepower while being more efficient than the old V8. Power is instant, controlled, and relentless, whether climbing steep terrain or cruising effortlessly on the highway. The advanced four-wheel drive system is where the Land Cruiser truly shines. Multiple terrain modes, locking differentials, crawl control, and adaptive suspension systems allow it to dominate sand, mud, rocks, and snow with astonishing ease. This is not technology for show, it is real, proven engineering designed for the harshest conditions on Earth. On the road, the Land Cruiser 300 feels surprisingly refined. The suspension smooths out rough surfaces, while the cabin remains quiet and composed. Highway cruising is effortless, with a sense of unstoppable momentum that few vehicles can match. Safety and reliability remain Toyota's strongest pillars. Advanced driver assistance systems, reinforced body construction, and decades of proven durability ensure that the Land Cruiser 300 is a vehicle owners trust with their lives. The wow moment comes from its dual personality. It is a luxury SUV when you want comfort, and a fearless off-road machine when the road ends. The Land Cruiser 300 2026 doesn't follow trends. It sets standards. BMW X7 2025, luxury with power and presence. The BMW X7 2025 is not subtle, and it doesn't need to be. This is BMW's flagship SUV, a statement of luxury, performance, and commanding presence designed for those who demand the best in every dimension. The exterior design is bold and unmistakably BMW. The iconic kidney grille dominates the front, flanked by sharp LED lighting that gives the X7 a powerful, modern identity. The sculpted hood and wide stance create an imposing road presence that turns heads instantly. From the side, the X7 feels long, elegant, and confident. The large alloy wheels, clean body lines, and subtle chrome accents elevate its premium appeal. At the rear, sleek taillights and a refined tailgate design complete a look that is both luxurious and athletic. Step inside, and the BMW X7 2025 delivers an experience that feels closer to a high-end lounge than an SUV. The interior is expansive, meticulously crafted, and filled with premium materials. Soft leather, ambient lighting, and precision-finished surfaces create an atmosphere of effortless luxury. The curved digital display combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless unit. BMW's iDrive system is fast, intuitive, and visually stunning, offering deep customization and advanced connectivity. The seating configuration offers exceptional comfort across all three rows. The front seats provide heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Second-row passengers enjoy executive-level space, while the third row remains usable and comfortable, a rare achievement in this segment. Under the hood, the BMW X7 offers powerful engine options, including turbocharged inline-6 and V8 variants. Acceleration is smooth, strong, and refined, delivering effortless power at any speed. The engine note is controlled and sophisticated, reinforcing BM's performance DNA. On the road, the X7 defies its size. Adaptive air suspension and advanced chassis systems deliver a ride that is both plush and dynamically capable. Steering is precise, body control is impressive, and the vehicle feels remarkably agile for its scale. Technology is everywhere. Advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, lane centering, parking assistance, and intelligent safety features work together to make every journey easier and safer. The wow factor of the BMW X7 2025 lies in its ability to blend power, luxury, and technology seamlessly. It doesn't compromise. It dominates the luxury SUV segment with confidence and authority. Final impact. The Toyota Corolla 2025 proves that perfection lies in balance and evolution. The Toyota Land Cruiser 300 2026 proves that legends don't fade, they grow stronger. The BMW X7 2025 proves that luxury can be bold, powerful, and technologically brilliant. 3 vehicles, 3 philosophies, 1 cinematic journey through modern automotive excellence.